The cabin filter is located on the driver's side of the vehicle next to the accelerator. Remove the foot panel by pulling out on it from the bottom. Unlatch the bottom of the filter door to remove it. Pull the old filter straight out of the housing to remove it. Install your new AQ1114 filter into the housing with its airflow indicator arrow pointing towards the rear of the vehicle. Pinch the middle of the new filter to make it easier to install. The housing cover has a tab at the top and a latch at the bottom. Make sure both of these are snapped into place. The foot panel has a tab that hooks into the vehicle and 4 clips to secure it. Rehook the tab and snap the foot panel back onto the vehicle. Purchase this filter at filterheads.com/AQ1114.